Hello everyone, I'm Sonal Goyal. Today we learn about a secure coding rule. The rule number is EXP55-CPP. The rule says that do not access a CV qualified object through a CV unqualified type. C stands for const qualifier and V stands for volatile qualifier. The rule is simple that for const qualifier, the intention of the developer basically is that the value of the variable should not be changed in between. So if someone is setting a variable type as const, the value should not get modified. Although there are chances of the variable getting modified, we can do that, but this might raise an undefined behavior. So if there is some intention of the developer or a programmer to change the value of the variable in between, we should not set the type as const. So let us understand this by an example. So here's a simple C++ code which is setting the variable int I as const type and giving the value, initializing it with 10. Here I am resetting the value of I as 20. Now let's run the program and see the output. So you can see there's an error that assignment read only variable I. So I was initially a const variable, it should not get modified, but still we are trying to modify it will raise an error, and this is an undefined behavior. So let's see the code which is compliant to this rule. Here, since I was having an intention of changing the value of I in between, I did not use the word the const variable I. So I am simply setting int I10 and changing the value of I to be 20. Let's see what happens now. Yeah, it's running perfectly. I think you can't see the value, but it's running perfectly and giving the answer as 20. Now the second rule. The second rule is about the volatile keyword. It's what's volatile. Now when we set a variable to be volatile, the volatile keyword simply tells the compiler that the value of the variable may get changed at any point of time. So when we are accessing a volatile object, we should not use the const cast. We should not use const cast, because as we have seen, const variable should not get changed and volatile variable can get changed anytime. So here's in code explaining this. S is the structure. We have created an object of structure S. The integer value is 12 and setting it as volatile. Now I am calling the function G and typecasting S to be const cast, which means that S, which was a volatile variable, is now a const cast, which should not be, because volatile can be changed anytime and const cast do not allow this. So this is a perfect example of explaining the undefined behavior which can be arised. Let's see the compliant code of this. So the compliant code says that here the S object of S is still volatile, but I am not setting here it as const cast. So this means that if S wants to change any time, because it's a volatile variable, even the compiler does not know about it, so it may get easily changed because the value of S is now not const cast. That was it from my side. Thank you.